Anna Guest, registered dietitian with the Ohio Beef Council. Today we're going to take some leftover shredded pot roast and turn it into some Cuban crispy beef bowls. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to take the pot roast and add some peppers and onions. We're going to add a little bit of salt, some pepper, garlic, and olive oil. We're gonna give it a good mix. We're also going to add some lime juice as well. We're gonna give this another quick mix and let it sit in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. We've let our flavors marinate together, and now we're going to work in batches by adding it to a frying pan over medium heat. This step is important because it's going to crisp up our beef and our vegetables. We're going to serve this up alongside some rice and black beans. And there you have it, leftover shredded beef turned into a brand new meal with some simple pantry staples. For this recipe and more, visit ohiobeef.org.